In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable WooCommerce blocks easily and efficiently. If you're managing an online store using WordPress and you feel overwhelmed by the number of WooCommerce blocks available, or perhaps you're just looking to simplify your site, this guide will help you streamline your workflow. We're going to focus on a plugin-based solution that is both straightforward and user-friendly. For this task, we'll be using a plugin called Disable Gutenberg Blocks. This plugin is designed to give you control over which blocks are active on your site without the need for complex coding. To get started, first, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New, and you'll be taken to the plugin repository where you can search for new plugins to install. In the search bar, type Disable Gutenberg Blocks and press Enter. Look for the plugin named Disable Gutenberg Blocks, Block Manager, which should appear in the results. Once you find it, click Install Now button beside the plugin name. After a brief moment, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click it to activate the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is installed and activated, it's time to adjust the settings to suit your needs. Look to the left-hand sidebar of the WordPress dashboard again. You'll find a new option under Settings called Disable Blocks. Click on it, and this will take you to a new page where you can see an array of blocks currently enabled on your site, including those for WooCommerce. Now let's focus on the WooCommerce sections. You'll see a list of the WooCommerce-related blocks along with checkboxes next to each one. These checkboxes are pre-selected, indicating that these blocks are currently active on your site. To disable any of these blocks, simply uncheck the boxes next to the ones you don't want to use. Be thoughtful in choosing the blocks to disable. Consider which aspects of WooCommerce you're using actively and which you can live without, as disabling certain blocks can affect how WooCommerce functions on your site. Once you've unchecked all the WooCommerce blocks you no longer need, make sure to scroll down and save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button. This ensures that your preferences are recorded and applied to your site. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to disable unwanted WooCommerce blocks using the Disable Gutenberg Blocks plugin. This approach not only helps keep your WordPress environment clean and focused, but also improves your workflow by removing unnecessary options, making it easier to manage your online store. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in optimizing your WooCommerce setup.